I'm Richie, the coordinator for the Manufacturing Production Worker program at MITT's English Language Center. We also call it the REDI program at MITT. We work together with our partners at Opportunities for Employment to deliver this full-time program. It is funded by Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, and the Manitoba Government. In REDI, we help you learn English, settle in Canada, and find employment. The REDI program is free and provides English language training to improve your English so you can successfully get a full-time job in manufacturing. The program has 2 parts: 10 weeks of English language training at MITT, and then up to 8 weeks of work skills training at Opportunities for Employment. Everyone in the program is dedicated to your success. You'll receive settlement support and help with technology and learning when you join the program so that you can focus on the training. At the end of the program, we help connect you with local manufacturing employers like Canada Goose or Palliser Furniture.
My name is Umran Al-Awir. I came from Lebanon, but I'm from Syria. When I see the winter here and the cold, I don't know anything about Canada. I get a job from the REDI. I'm the team leader in training cell in the Palliser. Like I learn English, the fast English. Yeah, and I learn, like I get experience about Canada here. How I can work, how I can like talk with people. I go to work and I get a job. Like I find a lot of friends, because everybody needs a job. Everybody needs to work.
My name is Vivi Li. I'm from China. MITT REDI program teacher is very nice. REDI program helped me find a job.
My name is Peter Dampal. I came from Indonesia. I learned a lot in the REDI class at MITT. Speaking, listening, reading, and writing English. Cultural skills. Now I feel more confident in small talks, online learning, following instructions, and knowing what employer wants. The REDI program gave me direction, hope, and daily routine. I really think I'm a lucky newcomer. Thank you so much for the support from all the staff of the MITT REDI program. You have changed my life.
We are here to offer a supportive environment while you learn English and connect you to full-time manufacturing work. Completing the Manufacturing Production Worker program opens doors and brings you closer to your employment goals. If you're interested in this program, call us or email redi@mitt.ca.